Hey y'all, hey, let's shut this house down today. And by shut this house down, I mean make these kids some dinner and then clean up my living room so they can go to sleep. So y'all, I just realized once I started heating up these leftovers that I didn't have a microwave, so I had to go back the old school way and heat it up on the stove and in the oven. But let's tackle these boxes in the living room because we're trying to clean one room at a time and get all this stuff out of here and put everything in place. So all this stuff in the living room is really just my mom's stuff that was in our storage unit. But because I'm not paying for the storage anymore, she was like, okay, let me get it out. And I was like, I'll just put it in my little storage closet, girl, because ain't nothing going up in here. So, yeah, that's how we ended up here. Y'all see me, little Bob the Builder. Even though I'm not building nothing, I'm really just stacking stuff. But we about to get this living room cleaned up and shut down. And I'm about to clean these couches because we moved the couches in, y'all. And me and my sisters really just slid them across the grass. I know. But nonetheless, it's really a blessing to have these couches because just a couple of days ago, I didn't have no furniture at this house. Only furniture I had was my kids' beds, and that's really about it. And some decorative pillows. I didn't have pillows. I don't have blankets. Like, I have blankets that I bought from my old house. Like, I have nothing. And by the grace of God, I was able to get couches, a TV for my living room. The 2 TVs for the kids' rooms came from our old apartment from when we lived at Fort Hood. And then a dining room table, y'all. So now I could take my dining room table that I was going to get off of my Amazon wish list. So I don't have to buy it and nobody else has to accidentally buy it. But I'm just cleaning the couches with hot water and soap because it's not a leather couch, but it's like, I don't know, like the sides of it is leather, but I don't know what kind of material this is, but I want to say like a suede. I don't know, but either way, it really cleaned up a lot of the gunk that was on the couch, and it dried up really fast. Like, I was able to sit back on it and take me a little nap immediately after. So, yeah. So many people have been doing stuff for me lately, and I'm really a giver, so I don't know how to accept things from people. I never ask for help. So when it's like offered, I feel like, not that I have like imposter syndrome, but it just feels like, I don't know. I don't want to say forced, but I don't know. I feel like I'm begging, even though I'm not asking and they're offering. I just feel like I'm begging, so I don't really ask people for help. I don't ask people for anything. So like when they do it, I don't know, y'all. But to all of the people that have done stuff for me and my kids, I just want to say, y'all are proof that God is real, because I have been receiving blessing after blessing after blessing, and I don't know how or what, but that's really just nobody but God. So thank y'all. Bye.